Hello everybody, welcome back to another TantonTechTips video. Today, we have a really cool product case we're reviewing today. The ThermalTake Core P1. Yeah. So here we have most of the stuff that you'll need to install a double slot PCIe card. So we have the tempered glass, a bunch of screws, magnetic dust filter, back panel case, 2 feet, and the main body. So what's so special about building in the P1? Well, first of all, it's an open frame ITX case, which means that it'll be lower temperatures and it looks really cool. So today I'm going to show you how to build a double slot graphics card enclosure with this, all these parts. So let's get into the time lapse. So the case is looking pretty freaking amazing, right? Like, we got this 5mm tempered glass in the front, these awesome stainless steel rods, and the power supply sits here, 2 Cooler Master fans, which I just installed, and the mini ITX motherboard fits right here. And we have 2 USB 3.0 ports at the front, power button, reset button, headphone, microphone, standard, right? And there's a dust filter in the back that's installed. Here, let me just move it around. There's a dust filter in here. With that, all that said, this case probably gets a solid 8 out of 10 for looks. One thing I'm not a fan of is the open air. It allows a lot of dust in. That's really the only negative thing I have to say. But build quality is amazing. Like, it's all steel. The only plastic I could find on it was the feet. And even the feet, most of them are metal. Build quality is 10 out of 10. So that's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. My name's Ryan from TantonTechTips. Remember to hit the subscribe button and like button down below, and I'll see you next time.